move our trucks. We had to. Gotta move these guys. Round 2. Yeah, round 2. Round 2. Round 2. Oh, it smells like crap. Hey, why wouldn't I? Oh no, I think there's more. I think there's just one. Oh yeah, they're going for round 2. Maybe not. I think they're done now. Yeah, alright. Yo. I don't know about y'all. Oh yeah. Check that out. Alright. I'm gonna wait. Last music, I'm gonna get copyrighted probably. Oh, charger. Oh, heck yeah, there's a charger. Oh, there's a charger in an old school in the Cadillac. Oh. Find a Cadillac in the corner. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't be scared. What type of car is that? Oh, they're turning around. Oh, that guy just... It's a chamber, I think. Camber. Oh, there's a drone. There's a drone. See it? The duo. They're gonna do something right now. Oh, look at the front. Look at the front for that one. That one has a little camber, whatever. How you doing? I'm gonna start recording. I'll be back. I'm just waiting on to make sure. I don't want to miss a bit of this. It's gonna be a good one. Bruh. Bro, stop cleaning the dang car and do some drifts. Man, do something. You want to be a part of it or not? Yeah. Ooh. Turn up your volume for this one. Aw, let the taxi go by. The taxi go by. There's some cool cars too. There's like a... Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. Gotta get the best view. Woo! God, turn up your volume for this. Look at the smoke. You can hardly even tell it where it is. think I just saw a chunk of tire fly. Oh my gosh, smells. Oh, look at that car up ahead. And then there's a Charger and a Dodge. Oh no, wait, it's missing a headlight. They're making sure that there's no damage to the tires. Oh, wait a minute. I think the old school's about to hit him. Oh, yeah. I feel like it's gonna go. My God, look at that. It's gonna, oh, and it's jumping. It's doing a bumping. It's I didn't know. Know what it's called. Must know that I'm. Oh shoot! It's bumping. It's bumping and thumping. I think it's coming around back to the corner. I'm not sure. Oh my God! Is the Charger gonna do something? I wonder if the Charger's gonna join. Oh. Oh, look at the Charger in the corner just staring at me. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Bro, look at the Charger. What's up? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, shoot. I'm gonna back up. This guy's scaring me. I'll be back. I think they're gonna. Oh, yeah! Watch it hit the Challenger. Watch it hit a bar. Oh God, that's loud. I'll be back.